One day, this will be a memory. The slow mornings before the day begins, little shoes waiting by the front door, a roast slowly cooking in the kitchen for dinner, someone staring into the bathroom mirror, still half asleep. The little things you think will always be there. One day, you'll look back and realise you were living some of the happiest moments of your life. The dinners around the table, the quiet nights together on the couch, stories being read before bed, the quick hugs before someone rushes out the door. Life happens in these small pieces of time, in the spaces you share every day. That's why choosing the right home matters, because the place you call home becomes part of your story. So one day, when you look back, you'll just be grateful for every moment that happened there. Life's better with Carlisle Homes.